Hi, my name is Sir RJ and I'm here to talk about conditional statements. So what are they? These are statements used to perform different actions based on different conditions. You may ask, what are those conditions? So do you remember relational statements? So basically that's it. We are going to check if a statement is true. If it is true, it will perform a condition, it will perform an action. There are several keywords that we have to use. First one is if. The next one is the else keyword, which performs the block of code if the condition is false. And lastly, we have else if. Else if is performed if the first condition is false and the else if statement is true, then the block of code will be done or it will be executed. Let's head on to my example. I have here an integer named num which has a value of 15. So let's write an if statement for that one. So if num is equal to 15, if you're going to use an if keyword, we are going to have to use brackets. So don't leave an open bracket hanging. You always have to close it so that the computer will know which block of code to use. Let's say here we are going to output hello. So if we are going to evaluate, our num has a value of 15, so definitely the statement is true. So the output would be hello. But what if the statement is incorrect? What if num is less than 15? The output there will be nothing because this block of code will not be performed. So that is the use of the else statement. If you have an else statement, if ever the condition is false, the else statement will be performed. So in this case, since our condition is false, this block of code will be performed. How about else if? In the description, it's a bit confusing, but it's fairly easy to use. So we are going to place else if after an if statement. Like so. So in this case, since the condition here is false, it will check the else if it will satisfy the condition. Since num is 15, this one is false, it will check here if it's true. Since it is true, the output would be this one. What if the same condition or the second condition, the else if, is false? So what the computer will do is check this one if it is true. Well, if it's false, it will move to the next else if. It will check this one. If it is still false, this block of code will be performed. So I hope you learned something from me today. I hope to see you again next time.